Hey there. Hello guys, it's Sean Bennett and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be looking at how to improve your chest stand if you're a beginner or an intermediate, or if you're somebody who just wants to get chest stand flexibility. So today we're going to be doing different technique and different pattern in getting the chest stand, which I'll also be teaching you how to do the chest stand with your legs straight out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, to start up the stretch routine, we're going to be warming our thoracic and lumbar spine. So we're going to be doing sets of cat cows by bending in and out to feel a warm-up stretch in your back. Now we proceed into a couple stretch by laying flat on the floor with our belly button. Then try to press upwards to arch backward. If you can arch like mine, just stand still in the pose to feel a deep stretch in your back. Now from there, try to reach over to grab onto your ankles. If you feel a stretch here, that's fine, but if not, you can try to straighten your legs to feel a deeper stretch at your back. So guys, after these deep stretches, it's time to lengthen our back with the child pose. The child pose helps in erasing all different type of back pain and preventing soreness. Go into a bird position either by falling to it or by lifting yourself up like what I did, and try to push your head to your butt to feel a deep stretch in your thoracic spine. So guys, after the deep stretch, it's advisable to go into a child pose to lengthen your spine to prevent soreness of the next day. So our next pose is going to be a nail bridge, either by falling into it or by holding your ankles. So I'll be providing beginner's modification at the left corner of the screen. Hey guys, welcome to the second chapter of the video, which we're talking about core strength. So to start up this one, we are going to be doing a leg lift. So doing this leg lift is important for doing the chest stand because you want to be able to have a good amount of core strength to be able to press into the handstand or hold balance while doing it. Now repeat the same motion with the other leg. So now we proceed into a belly button to the floor leg lift. This helps in attempting the chest stand. It's a good motion. Now repeat the same motion with the other leg. Hey guys, welcome to another chapter of the video where we'll be doing belly button to the floor hand lift. So this will help in strengthening your core whenever you want to do a chest stand without falling into. For a greater stretch, try lifting both your legs and your hand to feel a deep core in your hamstring, hip, and also in your back. Welcome to the main chapter of the video. So to attempt a chest stand, grab a pillow and put it under your chin, not on your throat. Always use your finger to hold a tight grip either on the yoga mat or on the floor, and make sure your feet and toes are pointed. It's okay to fall at your attempt. All I want you to do is keep practicing and come back to do it. When you're all balancing still, try to push up to it without falling into it. And make sure to always keep your toe pointed whenever doing a chest stand. Now welcome to the final part of the chest stand tutorial, which is falling in. To start off this, we are going to be falling into from a bridge, and then you try to work your hands back and then sink into it to do a chest stand. Next off, you're going to be coming in from an elbow stand, but this time you're going to be placing your feet downward and try to move your body towards it to hold a chest stand position. If you're flexible enough, you can straighten your legs. Trying this out is an advanced move. You need to have a lot of back flexibility. If you don't know where to, you can come and check out my YouTube channel, subscribe to it, and also check out my playlist for back stretching routine. If you do like this video, please turn on the notification button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment on my next video.